Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to try my best to vlog for you guys and for it not to be boring. You know what's crazy though, we're at home most of the time, 98% of the time. So when we're pretty much doing our virtual learning and then I'm filming for my other channel and stuff, I don't think you guys want, my thing is we're home all day. This makes for a boring vlog, so I figure you guys that's not something y'all want to watch, but I'll just take you guys through my day today. So it is 8:18 and the kids getting ready to get themselves ready so they can start their virtual learning. Normally their classes start at 9 o'clock, at least Destiny's. David starts at 8:45. And then my son Devin, because he's in middle school, his schedule's a little different. Sometimes he has class at 8:15, 8:30. Sometimes it's at 11. Sometimes it's at 12. So our schedule is a little crazy right now. But it's early in the morning. Normally, on a typical day, I will wake up at 6:30. I need at least 30 minutes to get out of bed. I like to check my messages and I answer back. I use that time to answer back from the people that left me comments the night before. And then I get up, make myself coffee. The kids are still asleep at this point. And then I watch the news. And then I start my day. So that is what I've gotten done so far. I'm using the computer because my daughter, once she gets on here, I can't use the computer. I'm just checking my stuff on here. My plan today, I have to ship out some orders. I worked on it last night. So I'm going to get that shipped out. And then I might be able to have enough time to make one wreath. Depends if my daughter needs me, how long it will take. Sorry, the kids are running up the stairs. This little cave that I have here is the stairs. So I hear everything. But most of the time I figure you guys will probably be super bored because we really don't do a bunch of fun stuff. I am planning on filming tonight. So hopefully I can have my video done for Sunday so that I can have some fun with the kids. Like, we have not done any fall activities or anything yet. Like, this is stuff that I would look forward to, but we have not been able to do any of that. So I'm hoping we could do that this Saturday. Hopefully take them to the pumpkin patch. I just want to hang out and be able to take them that. What's up, babe? Hi. I just want to be able to take them to the pumpkin patch and just have fun and spend time with them instead of me constantly working, because technically I do work from home. So I want to do that, so I want to make sure I get that out the way first. Let me see. I'm checking my stuff on here. So usually I come on here, check in the morning. Also, another thing that I do is my Bible devotional in the morning, and I'm almost done with this one. So I'm sorry, y'all. I use the Holy Bible app. It's a brown app, and the first one that I'm doing is called Start Here, First Steps with Jesus. And let me see if I can show it to you guys. And I'm almost finished. I got one more day and then I will be finished with that one. I like it because it explains it to you. It explains what went on in the Bible better, because I can't always understand exactly what they're talking about. So it breaks it down for you pretty much. So I love that about it. I'm checking comments. So my plan is, and another reason why I've been so busy is because I'm trying to add as much stuff as I can for the Christmas stuff on my Etsy shop. I don't want Christmas to come and then I'll be overwhelmed with nothing on there that's holiday related. So I have been adding the stuff on there now so that I don't get overwhelmed around the holidays. And what's crazy is people already started buying their stuff early, which makes sense because Amazon already did their Amazon Prime Day to, I think today might be the last day or yesterday, I'm not sure. Walmart and Target, because there's not going to be any, I don't think there's going to be a Black Friday, like people going into the store. I doubt that very seriously. But people already started buying their Christmas stuff. I just started adding my stuff on there and people already started buying, which I'm so happy and grateful for. this has definitely been a year. This has been a crazy year. I can't say everything in this year for me has been bad. It's been, besides the pandemic aside, I've actually had some really good stuff happen to me. Like, now I have an Etsy shop. Last year, if you would have told me that I would have an Etsy shop, most likely I would not believe it, because I like to make stuff. I've always made stuff, but I never sold myself. I always get asked, did I sell myself? And the answer was no. I just did not want to deal with it. But I'm so glad that I do that now, but I would have never done it in the past at all. I would have never done it. Oh, fun fact about me, you guys, I used to be a photographer. Like, photography was my passion. I used to photograph people, but believe it or not, I'm not a big people person. So dealing with customers like face to face, it's really not my thing. So that didn't last long. I mean, I was very good. I love digital photography, and like, I used to do some really nice pictures. Destiny used to be like my little model for them. And maybe I should add some pictures here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. That's kind of stuff that I used to do. But then I still take pictures. I just don't take them for other people. I would do them for my family. So, but if you would have asked me a few years ago if I would have been a YouTuber, and then I have my own shop where I sell my stuff, I'm like, what? Me? No, because I'm actually an introvert. So I'm going to try to show you guys some of the stuff I used to create. I mean, oh, she was so cute. That's just pictures around the house. But she was mainly my main model. The boys never liked taking pictures, but when he used to like me taking pictures, I still take pictures now. I just take them for my family. And I also used to be a food photographer. I used to love doing that. So let me show you. Let me see if I can show you an example of the stuff that I used to do. That would be the chicken fajita dish, and then the holiday baking stuff. That was my thing, you guys. So it was a bunch of stuff. Let me show you guys. I don't know if you can see very well. But that's what I used to do. So, fun fact, I used to be a photographer. Let me find a good one. So you guys can see. You guys can see us very well. I'm sorry. But that's what I used to do, and I still do it. I just don't do it as a as a business, if that makes sense. So it kind of once I started taking pictures of other people, I feel like it kind of started taking the fun out of it, if that makes sense. So that's Destiny right there. You can see. So let me see if I digital, like playing with the stuff with the digital part of the photography was always my favorite. Let me see if I can focus on it. That's Destiny. She used to be a little fairy on a tree. So she was so cute. She's still cute now, but I'm sorry. You know how those people that always have pictures of their kids and always showing them to you? That's another one, you guys. I don't know if you can see. This was my family, my nieces and nephews, and my 2 boys in this picture. But this is the kind of pictures I used to take. Not just like family pictures, which I did, but I did mainly like, you know, like nature and the digital type of stuff. That's the kind of stuff that I now this one is actually one of my favorites. I don't know if you guys can see very well. It's a bunch of bunnies, lambs, horses and stuff. It was in our backyard, and there was no lambs, horses, and bunnies and chicks and stuff in there. It was just my digital skills that I did. But last one, I promise it's the last one. This is another one that I used to do. That's Destiny as well. But I have quite a few of them, so I just showed you a little bit. But that's something that I used to do. I don't know, I guess sometimes your passions change. So, if that makes sense. This is what I got so far. I got some ornaments, and I have a little of this left, so I'm hoping that'll be enough. I pray to God that it'll be enough. I got silver and I got white. I got 3 ribbons out. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm gonna use this one right here. This is so pretty. I got it from Hobby Lobby. But I'll definitely be using this one. And then I got this one from Sam's Club. And then I got these other things to add on it. This is so pretty right here. And some greenery. I might add it, I might not. And then I got some snowflakes I might add on there as well. I'm just waiting for Destiny to start her class so I could get started on it. And I'm praying I can finish it in a few hours. Alright you guys, so I just finished the wreath, so this is what it looks like right now. So I had 2 mums and one of them already died, so I watered this one. This one's doing a really good job. But my pumpkins are actually going strong, you guys. They have not spoiled or anything. They last a pretty long time. Just making sure. Yeah, but they last a long time. Aldi has them on sale for $2.99, I think, or $2.50 for the big ones of that size. So check there. Alright guys, sorry for the background noise. I have the dishwasher on. Y'all know I'm famous for not cutting my dishwasher on at night. But I got these 2, I got them from Walmart. And this is the warm apple pie candle. And then this one is the fall farmhouse candle from Walmart, y'all. This was only $5.88. So y'all know I have been searching for some cheaper candles because I was a loyal Bath and Body Works fan. But when they stopped giving the good sales, and not to mention they're pretty expensive. Even when they're on sale, it's pretty expensive. I just wanted to try other stuff. Sometimes I just want to try new things, and I have been buying cheaper candles, especially from Walmart, and I have been loving it. This one smells amazing, and this fall farmhouse one smells so good. Oh, smells so good. So I would recommend them. These are $5.88. And then these candles from Aldi. These 2 are from Aldi, and I forgot how much it cost. I think they cost like $3 something. This one is frosted vanilla. Oh, that smells good. And then the holiday cranberry is another good one. Now this one smells really good. So I have been trying to find cheaper candles. So I've been getting a lot of them from Walmart. It's my first time buying these from Aldi, so I'll let you know down the line if I like them or not. Most like a lot of people say that it's really good, so I don't see why it wouldn't. So, but if you guys are looking for more candles, they definitely have these and a bunch of other kinds. Destiny finished her class, so I'm trying to see what she got to get done. It's better to finish early so it can be really.
Hi everybody, and my name is Lily, and I'm a baby. Just kidding, my mommy is talking for me. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so ready to take these braids out, but I'm trying to give it another week because I am busy. You know, we taking those out.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're looking kind of rough there, friend.
Oh, better. Does her hair look good?
Yes, looks amazing.
But it's not frizzy.
So you have no benchmark, no assignments. I assigned an iReady lesson, so let's check your iReady. Do you guys do iReady as well? Our kids here in Georgia do iReady.
Choose a subject. Reading.
I'm not doing that. Oh, you got growth check. Doo. Let's see your reading growth. Get to work.
Mama, will you help me?
Nope, this is a growth check. I can't help you with this one. It's a test. All right, you guys, so my plan is I might be vlogging our trip to the pumpkin patch this weekend. We'll see. Most likely I will, if that's something that you guys would like to watch. I'm gonna end this vlog right here because I also have to film tonight for my cleaning channel as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.